Let's learn with pork tulip. Today we're going to learn about phrasal verbs. First of all, you need to know what's a phrasal verb. A phrasal verb is a verb that is made out of a main verb together with an adverb or a preposition, or the combination of both adverb and a preposition. The phrasal verb we are going to learn in this lesson is pick out. The phrasal verb is used when someone eats a lot or too much of something, especially of the unhealthy food. It gives the ideas of eating in excess and you can't eat any more food. Sometimes you feel sick after pick out. So now you know the meaning of pick out. So let's see how you can use pick out in sentences. You can use this phrasal verb in two ways. The first one is to pick out. If you don't want to mention the name of the food, you can just use pick out. For example, I picked out at lunchtime. Another example is I picked out at my friend's birthday party. I'm starving. Let's go pick out. But if you want to specify the food you eat, you can use pick out on plus name of the food. For example, I picked out on pizza at lunchtime. My favorite foods to pick out on are ice cream, pizza, and cookies. Answer the question. What type of food do you like to pick out on? Now it's your turn to create sentences with pick out of your own. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you next time. Bye.